Hey everybody, recently I got on eBay and for my 2020 Tesla Model 3, I purchased a spare 18-inch Aero wheel and tire, just to have a spare that I keep in the garage or my trunk, depending, just to have it. But if you're not aware, the TPMS sensors on these cars actually changed over around October of the year 2020, which is a year after my car was manufactured. And the older cars have a 433 megahertz TPMS sensor type, whereas the newer ones, like this spare that I bought, has a Bluetooth TPMS sensor, and they are not compatible. So if you put it on like I did, because I'm just playing around with it, and you start driving, after a day or two, you will get a message like this: TPMS system fault, tire pressure sensor fault may clear next drive. Well, it's not going to, because the problem still persists, because they're not compatible. And you can see that my rear tires and my front right have both been updated yesterday, whereas my front left, the latest pressure reading was from 3 days ago. Now, I don't really care because I'm not going to be running the tire for extended periods, but I don't think this error message is really going to go away unless I change to the old TPMS sensor type. Now, you can buy the old type, but you have to buy them pre-programmed or figure out how to program them to be compatible with your car. And that's a problem you don't really have to deal with the new Bluetooth ones, because they apparently just auto-configure themselves, and you don't have to fuss with it. So that's kind of nice. But just be aware, if you're buying a spare tire, if you don't want to fuss with it, make sure you get a wheel that already has the TPMS sensor installed that is compatible with your car. So just thought I'd share, and thanks so much for watching.